All right, at this point, I'd like to go over the first worksheet of today's lesson with you. It is called Investigating Forces, and it can be a little complicated, so I'd like to review it with you first. That way you have a good idea of what's expected and you can complete the worksheet properly. So the plan is to complete the items below to plan your investigation. So you're planning your own investigation now about force. So question 1, and this is the worksheet, by the way. You'll have it attached in Class Dojo, but this is what it looks like. It'll be on your class story in Class Dojo. So question 1, what questions are you trying to answer about unbalanced and balanced forces? This is up to you. You get to decide what your question is. If I kick a soccer ball as hard as I can, what will happen? If I pick up a spoon and I drop it from my eye level, what will happen? So you get to choose your own question on balanced and unbalanced forces. Question 2, in 2 or 3 sentences, summarize what you already know about forces. So you know that if you push something, it moves away. You know that if you pull something, it moves towards you. You know that if the forces are balanced, the object will not move. You know that if the forces are unbalanced, the object will move in the direction of the greater force. Question 3, based on what you already know, predict an answer to your question. So now you've asked a question in question 1, you've asked your own question. So based off what you've learned over the last 2 days, make a prediction or a guess about what you think will happen when you try your experiment. Question 4, what materials do you need to carry out your experiment, or your investigation? So do you need a bouncy ball? Do you need a book? Do you need an eraser? What different items do you need in order to conduct this experiment? And now, on page 2, in this box below, you get this nice big box to work with, or if you can't print it, you can just draw this on your notebook paper. In the box below, show how you will carry out your investigation. You may use pictures, a list, or complete sentences to describe your plan. So whether you want to write your plan down in order, step by step, if you want to draw your plan, however you'd like to describe or show how you're going to complete your investigation, draw that, write that in this box provided.